Hello everyone! This event is open to all members of Moments of Land and Language Media Force. A team consists of two members. The one who gets the word in a phrase, that's player number one, the henny or the genius. And the other is the one who will respond to the guesser. And then he is considered as, or she is considered as player number two, the guide. Now, the team name will be called and then must go to the center, and then they will pick a piece of paper, and the piece of paper contains a specific category. Now there are 5 categories included: animals, bathroom items, beach, birthday party, Christmas, sports, actions, and human body. Now the specific word will be shown to a mobile phone at the top of the head of the player. That's player number one, the genius. And then player number two will provide hints in order for the player number one to answer. Now, they will be given strictly 2 minutes only to guess the answer and the word. And the timer will start automatically after the word or phrase is seen. Now, player number two will only describe or act the word shown. When the team finally guesses the word, then the timer will be stopped, and then the recorder will note the team's time. The team who will get the highest number of the guessed words wins the game and then gets the prize. So in case of a tie, the team will have then the same scores with the tiebreaker and then guess another word each. And the team with the shortest time of guessing will then be declared the winner of this game.
Good day mga ka-Bowman! Welcome back to the Bowman's channel. And for today's video, we will be having the Pinoy Henyo Bowman's edition. For this game, 5 teams will be participating. They are Team 1. One finger, one thumb, Team Thumbnail! Team 2. Team 3. Go! Palanga! Go! Go! Palanga! Go! Pinaka-palanga! Team 4. Follow what I said, but don't follow what I did. Go! And lastly, we have Team 5.
Ready, here we go!
Let's go, mga Bowman! Before the start of the game, each player has already picked who among them will be the guesser and the guide. They also picked the category they will be guessing.
Muna, pinsay mo tagha ninyong duha.
Start na din.
Yes, I Shara, magkano na ikaw mo discard. Di ako hatagbi.
Ay, dili! Isa ko kawin din.
Say mo tag na din siya sa taga.
Si Ruby mo kagla na mo ba?
Say ko na natin. Kamalo na mo. Oh, yung okay ang tag sa cellphone. Oh, Charlene. Na, Charlene. Oh, kane. Okay, ihapon sa kuan. Charlene Jarin. Beach volley. Hindi ka Buela. Yaga na. Magkano siya na ba? Magkano siya na? Wala, lagi pa lang. Jari din na. Putol man yun. I will be the one to guess. Wala may Crizzle ang Crizzle. Wala, play na biyan eh. Ato na rin. Okay, go. Jaira mataga. Sige, bunot na lang pala ng category. Bunot na pala. Ay, volleyball. Ay, iba yun mag-iba. Atong category.
Ay, so sa isa ka tip, isa rin siya kategorya.
Oo. Palihog ingon. Focus ka. Okay. Actions. Human body.
Sa'yo na human body.
Birthday party!
Ay, salamat pala dito ko, anak. Uy, ang birthday party team dia. Coachella, Met Gala,
Christmas! Ay, animas! Animas!
Sports.
Aswards, okay.
For our first player, we have Team 1, Shara and Stefan. Shara will be the guesser and Stefan will be the guide. You have 2 minutes to guess. Your timer starts now. Turning. Sleeping. Dancing. Closer. Ballet. Climbing up a tree. Getting a food? Yes. Eating a food. Yes, what kind of food? Mango fruit. Apple. David. Monkey. Lion. Adventure. Time's up. For our second player, we have team number 2, Jaira and Brazil. Jaira will be the guesser and Brazil will be the guide. You have 2 minutes to guess. Your time starts now.
So, ano siya? Ano siya mag-circulate na yung buong body?
Good.
Very good. Next, kasi kami. Kaya siya kay, Juan, makita mo siya sa imo ang likod. Pag-support siya sa imo ang Juan, yan, from the skull, pa sa Juan, in. Go, tulong. Dili. Ano kami sa shoulder part. Sa shoulder part. Oo, dili sa likod. Shoulder part. Shoulder part. Kuya! Bumarong nun! Bumarong nun! Shoulder part!
Pwede mag-pass. Yan, Ria.
Wala siya
Stop it. Get some help.
For our next player, we have Team 3, Angel and Jari. Angel will be the guesser and Jari will be the guide. You have your category, birthday party, and you have 2 minutes to guess.
Wala kayo i-click tayo. Wala kayo i-click. Huwag kitang tangang birthday party.
Your timer starts now.
Dessert. Spaghetti. Salad. Dessert. Taste. Tang. Dessert. Hotdog. Pati. Birthday mascot. Clown. Birthday song. Singer. Happy birthday. Birthday song. Celebration. Birthday party.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Pass. Blowing cake. Blowing sa cake. Birthday candle. Sige, good. Cake, birthday cake. Cake na cake. Nagkaon cake. Ano siya? Pizza. Birthday popper. Happy birthday. Birthday popper. Birthday. Popper. Paguto. Perfect.
Oh my God! Wow!
Audience. Kids, children. Lollipop. Lollipop. Candy. Yes, good. Eating. Pass.
Time's up. For our next players, we have Team 4, Sherlyn and Roby. Sherlyn will be the guesser and Roby will be the guide. Your category is animals and you have 2 minutes to guess. Your time starts now.
Bird. Bulutan. Unsa? Tingog diha. Baluwas pa lang siya. Unsa ka na? Pass. Cat. Unsa? Nasa bugnaw. Bugnaw. Nasa picnic. Unsa? Beer? A beer? Unsa? Unsa ka sa mata?
Your category is sports and you have 2 minutes to guess. Your time starts now.
Swimming. Diving. Swimming. Place where one swimming. Swimming pool. Yeah. Archery. Frisbee. Oh, frisbee.
Yeah, boy.
Pass. Oh, volleyball. Oh. Pass. Ping pong, table tennis. Oh, good. Pass. Pass.
Bruh.
Pass na. Soccer. Football. See. Wow, see.
What? What the fuck?
See. Pass. Running. Track and field. Jogging. Dash.
Daddy, chill.
Hold event. Track and field. Hold event. Athletics. Pass. Golf. Baseball.
What?
Small zero. Paddle.